Divorced wife. This is my story. I'm Marina. I got married when I was 20 years old. It happened with my parents' consent. My husband's name was Carl. Carl was a very cruel man. He would get angry over the smallest things. Even if I made a small mistake, he would scold me harshly. Honestly, I was fed up with married life. Because of Carl, I lost interest in it. That's how some time passed. About a year later, I found out I was pregnant. Honestly, I was overjoyed. The first person I told was Carl. Are you crazy? I don't want a child right now. That's what Carl said. I was deeply hurt by his words. Later, when I looked into Carl's life, I discovered he was having an affair with a woman at his workplace. Carl, I can't live with you anymore. So I divorced Carl. I was 6 months pregnant at the time. I went back to live with my parents. We are so sorry, daughter. It was a big mistake to marry you off to someone like Carl. My parents were heartbroken over what had happened to me. They even apologized to me. Time passed. During that time, I gave birth to my daughter. She was a beautiful, sweet little girl. From that moment on, I became stronger for her. I wanted to build a beautiful future for my daughter. I worked hard for it. That's why I decided to get the job. I worked hard and did my job well. My parents took good care of my daughter while I worked. I educated my daughter well. Gradually, she grew up. Years passed and I was able to start my own business. I started a business selling fresh flowers. Bit by bit, the business grew. I saved the money I earned for my daughter's future. Daughter, you are still young. Would it be wrong if you thought about getting married again? My parents would ask me this from time to time. But I never wanted to get married again. I was afraid to marry it. I had worked so hard to rebuild my life beautifully. I didn't want a man back in it. Now my daughter is a beautiful young woman. She never let my efforts go to waste. She studies hard for my sake. Now she is studying to be a medical student. So, do I have any more happiness? Now I feel like my life is complete in every way. I've earned enough money throughout my life. I'm also taking good care of my parents now. I'm truly proud of myself. I'm grateful to myself for surviving those tough times. And my daughter has made my hard work worth it. I'm so proud of her too. Now I am 52 years old. I've conquered life no matter how hard the times were. I faced them bravely. Now all I want is to spend the rest of my life peacefully and happily. Thanks for listening this story.